Hi guys and welcome to another video. Today we will be going over 10 of the best video ideas for beginners in 2023. Number 1. A reaction video is one of the best ways currently to gain views early on, as this provides an opportunity for your audience to see you react to something you may be able to provide insight on. Number 2. A Draw My Life video is also a popular choice for people starting their YouTube journey, as it provides an opportunity for you as a creator to introduce yourself to the audience and establish a relationship. Number 3. Movie, game or music reviews are also a good way to gain views early on, as it allows for you to share your opinions while still being engaging. Number 4. How-to videos are also a good way to start your YouTube journey, as it has the increased potential to go viral, due to the fact that you don't know how many people may require the video to solve a problem that they may have. Number 5. Infographic videos are also a great choice, since they not only do not require your face, but are also engaging and educational. Number 6. A classic vlog is still one of the best ways to start up your YouTube audience and build a following early. Number 7. Fun fact videos are not only easy to create but are a good way to get some views, especially for beginners. Number 8. Meditation videos are becoming more and more popular, so as a beginner they are a good choice for a video idea. Number 9. Tutorials such as video game tutorials are also easy to do and allow you to share your gaming expertise with the audience. And finally, number 10. List videos such as this one are also a good video idea as a beginner. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.